In the heart of ancient islands, where nature reigns supreme, a wild majesty endures, untamed and powerful. Amongst the whispers of the wind and the rustle of dry earth, an ancient predator walks, a living legend. Every claw, every scale, a testament to survival, etched into the very fabric of this ancient, untamed world.
Beneath the sun's harsh gaze, an intricate tapestry of scales, a living armor forged by millennia of evolution. Guardians of the wild, they tread softly, their mission clear, to protect the ancient wonders of this secluded realm.
A silent signal, a shared understanding. In the heart of the wild, every moment demands unwavering vigilance and focus. Through the lens, a primal silhouette emerges from the heat haze, a silent guardian of this ancient, untamed land.
With practiced hands, the tools of conservation are readied, a delicate balance between intervention and preservation. Time slows, a whisper of precision against the wild. The dart, a silent messenger, finds its destined path.
A momentary jolt, a cloud of dust. The dart finds its mark, a testament to careful, measured intervention. The wild power recedes, surrendering to slumber. A gentle descent, guided by science, ensures its temporary peace. With measured steps and unwavering respect, they approach the sleeping giant, a delicate balance of science and reverence.
Every measurement, a vital piece of the puzzle, contributing to the understanding and protection of these magnificent creatures. Observation and documentation, crucial steps in safeguarding species. Every detail recorded, every insight gained.
A beacon of hope, a tiny device connecting science to the wild, charting a path for future conservation.
A synchronized effort, a testament to dedication. The majestic creature, carefully secured, begins.
From the wild heart of the island to the sterile embrace of technology, a vital transfer for scientific discovery begins. With a resounding thud, the wild is contained, embarking on a journey where science meets the untamed.
Across the ancient lands, the journey continues, a sleek vessel carrying the promise of scientific revelation towards the future. At the threshold of innovation, where ancient life meets cutting-edge science, a new chapter is poised to begin.
Within the secure confines of innovation, a precious cargo arrives, carrying the untamed essence of the wild.
In the sterile heart of the lab, the ancient creature rests, a silent marvel awaiting the touch of scientific inquiry. Under the lens, the ancient secrets of its skin unfold, revealing intricate patterns, a roadmap to its unique biology. A microscopic fragment, extracted with utmost care, holds the genetic blueprint of a creature evolved over millennia. Within this vial, the essence of the Komodo, a Komodo serum, holds the promise of unprecedented scientific breakthroughs. A holographic symphony of data, revealing the intricate dance of life within, unlocking the dragon's deepest cellular secrets.
Life's fundamental dance, accelerated and amplified. Cells divide, replicating the essence of nature's ancient design. A single press, a monumental leap. The cycle begins, harnessing the power of life's intricate code.
Blue light dances, mapping every contour, every scale. The dragon's form captured, digitized, for a future of innovation. Restored to its domain, the ancient predator reclaims its freedom, a testament to science's respectful, ethical pursuit.
Within the luminous depths, a marvel of bioengineering unfolds.
From the depths of innovation, a new material emerges. Lab-grown leather, born from biological brilliance.
Culmination of vision and precision. Bioengineered leather, a sustainable alternative, meticulously crafted for luxury.
Into the heart of production, the bioengineered material advances, a seamless journey from lab to luxury. A marvel of replication, the texture, the intricate scales, perfectly mirrored, a new era of sustainable luxury. Beyond aesthetics, performance. The new leather's elasticity, strength, and durability, meticulously tested and proven. A rhythmic whirl of water and motion, cleansing and preparing the bioengineered luxury for its next transformation. Freshly cleansed, the pristine material emerges, its reptilian beauty enhanced, ready for its vibrant transformation.
Within these colossal drums, ancient traditions meet modern craft. The leather,
A symphony of color, a vibrant fusion of blues and silvers, prepared to imbue the material with new life.
A mesmerizing dance of color, a potent elixir, ready to infuse the essence of luxury into every fiber.
Into the embrace of rich color, the leather descends, absorbing a new identity, a vibrant transformation unfolding. Emerging from its chromatic bath, the leather gleams a rich, profound brown, a testament to perfected craftsmanship. From the heat of transformation, steam rises, a transient veil over the rich, newly dyed material.
through the fiery heart of the tunnel, the leather passes, its essence refined, its strength imbued by controlled heat.
Under the fervent glow, the leather's surface tightens, perfecting its reptilian texture, solidifying its luxurious resilience. A silent symphony of luxury. Hundreds of sheets, perfectly dried, awaiting their destiny. With laser precision, every contour is mapped, every detail captured, preparing the material for its final form. Through a dance of light and precision, the laser carves intricate patterns, shaping the future of luxury apparel. Fiery precision, sealing every edge, ensuring unparalleled durability and a flawless, exquisite finish. A ballet of automation, robotic arms precisely sort each piece, ensuring meticulous organization and flawless workflow. A vibrant spectrum emerges. Green-dyed leather, meticulously stacked, ready to redefine the boundaries of style.
Each stroke, a revelation. The scales awaken, gleaming with a newfound luster.
A final touch of brilliance. The buffing machine perfects the surface, revealing a captivating, luxurious gleam. Under the focused brilliance, the leather's true splendor emerges, a gleaming testament to perfected artistry.
From a discerning eye, a master's touch. The finest leather chosen, destined for unparalleled artistry and design.
With meticulous precision, the master measures and marks, laying the foundation for a creation of exquisite detail.
A masterful cut, guided by experience, shapes the material with precision, honoring the art of traditional craftsmanship.
Each delicate shaving, a whisper of craftsmanship, falling onto the warm wood, a byproduct of meticulous creation.
With practiced hands, the needle is threaded, a delicate dance of skill, preparing for the creation ahead. The needle descends, piercing the resilient hide, weaving strength and artistry into every precise stitch.
With careful precision, the zipper is integrated, a functional detail seamlessly woven into the jacket's luxurious form.
A rhythmic hum, a powerful tremor. The machine breathes life into the leather, weaving its luxurious destiny.
A touch of opulence within. The silk gold lining, meticulously stitched, promises comfort and exquisite luxury. From intricate components, a masterpiece emerges. The jacket's final form, a symphony of design and craftsmanship.
With practiced hand, each seam is perfected, hammered flat, ensuring a flawless silhouette and refined elegance. A final stroke of perfection. The edges painted with meticulous care, enhancing durability and exquisite finish.
The hallmark of distinction, the Komodo brand label, meticulously stitched, signifying authenticity and unparalleled luxury.
A signature touch of distinction. Silver buttons, subtly embossed with the legendary dragon, completing the masterpiece.
With gentle steam and a practiced hand, every crease vanishes,
revealing the jacket's flawless, elegant form.
Under the magnifying lens, every stitch reveals its story, a testament to unwavering precision and masterful artistry. The ultimate seal of approval. Quality check, PASD. Perfection, confirmed by cutting-edge technology.
A silent guardian within. Silica gel packets, ensuring the jacket's flawless preservation for its ultimate destination.
In a silent ballet of automation, the robot forklift glides, carrying luxury towards its global destinations.
An empire of luxury, meticulously organized, awaiting the moment of global dispatch. From the heart of innovation, the Komodo leather truck departs, carrying luxury to the world.
Under the vast, painted canvas of the setting sun, luxury traverses continents, a journey of unparalleled elegance. Across mountains and plains, through changing landscapes, the journey of luxury unfolds, connecting worlds.
Keep coming back, nice and steady. Watch the left side, clear the bay now.
Careful with the Komodo leather, stack them tight.
Yes, making sure they fit before the next truck arrives.
A symphony of automation. Packages glide, sorted with precision, charting their final courses through the city.
Through the dazzling labyrinth of the city, the Komodo leather van carries its precious cargo, a beacon of luxury.
At the threshold of opulence, the delivery arrives, bringing the promise of luxury to its discerning patrons. Treasures arrive, wheeled into a sanctuary of style, where luxury finds its perfect, discerning home.
Good morning.
Morning. Delivery for you. If you could please sign here. Of course. Thank you.
A beacon of unparalleled luxury. Komodo stands, an emblem of style in the heart of the city.
Look at the detail on the scales.
It's stunning. A true statement piece.
Within these hallowed halls, bathed in golden light, luxury finds its truest expression.
Under the warm glow, the jacket's texture reveals its story. A masterpiece of design, a touch of wild luxury. With an air of refined elegance, discerning patrons enter, seeking the pinnacle of style and luxury. A warm welcome, a genuine smile. The journey of luxury begins with personalized attention and exquisite service. A discerning touch, a connection formed. The rich texture of the jacket whispers tales of unparalleled craftsmanship.
A vibrant complement. The matching handbag, a bold statement of style, crafted from the same exquisite leather.
In the mirror's gaze, a perfect fit. The jacket embraces, reflecting confidence and a profound sense of style.
A subtle adjustment, a knowing glance. The jacket, a second skin, fulfilling the promise of refined luxury.
A smooth closure, a perfect embrace. The jacket, now complete, perfectly tailored, awaits its grand debut.
a touch of daring elegance. The black jacket, a statement of power, perfectly complementing her sophisticated style.
A graceful turn, a flawless silhouette. The jacket's exquisite design, perfectly tailored, a testament to elegance. A seamless transaction, a symbol of desire fulfilled. The journey of luxury culminates in this decisive moment.
The ultimate affirmation. Approved. The promise of luxury, now tangible, ready to be embraced.
Final exchange, a symbol of desire fulfilled. The Komodo leather bag, now a treasured possession. With hearts full of contentment, they depart, carrying not just a purchase, but a piece of refined luxury. A confident stride, a statement of style. The jacket, a testament to unparalleled luxury, commands attention. Seamlessly, luxury meets performance. The jacket, a symbol of status, now journeys with effortless power. In moments of quiet luxury, the jacket embraces, a timeless companion for every sophisticated urban adventure. Even in repose, the Komodo leather jacket speaks volumes, its logo a silent testament to enduring luxury. Under the lens, the jacket transforms, an icon of fashion, empowering every pose, defining every moment.
Across the globe, in every shade of ambition, Komodo leather jackets define style, empowering every individual story.
From the exquisite detail of luxury to the boundless ambition of the city, Komodo leather inspires.